Have you ever spilled red wine on your carpet and watched in horror as it soaked in? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best carpet cleaners that combine suction power, scrubbing action, and easy portability to tackle everything. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. UWANT. Say goodbye to stubborn pet stains and deep-set grime with the UWANT dual steam and hot water system. An 18,000 Pascal suction motor lifts away loosened dirt and moisture, leaving carpets almost dry and virtually spotless. The unique 2-in-1 water tank merges clean and waste reservoirs into one, so you swap and empty both with a single hand motion, saving your back and speeding up the job. Flip capacitive touch controls switch effortlessly between steam and hot water modes, while dedicated steam brush heads handle tile grout, car interiors, and bathroom crevices for a complete deep clean solution. Portable and ergonomic, the UWANT's compact design and integrated wheels let you glide from room to room without strain. Whether you're battling high-traffic hallway stains or pet accidents on the living room rug, the UWANT combines versatile steam cleaning with powerful suction for a spotless, healthier home. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. BISSELL TURBOCLEAN. Small but mighty, the BISSELL TURBOCLEAN embedded dirt and pet messes across carpets and area rugs. Its deep reach power brush roll features 4 rows of stiff bristles that scrub away mud, pet hair, and dried-on spills, all while gentle enough for delicate fibers. Weighing under 13 pounds, it's easy to maneuver into tight corners and across stairs. 2-tank technology keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water, ensuring you never reapply grime to your floors. Just fill 1 tank with BISSELL's pet-formulated cleaning solution, and you're ready to go. Ideal for high traffic zones and sporadic pet accidents, this machine lets you treat spots immediately. No more waiting for a rental unit. Its compact size stores neatly in a closet, and the included scrub tool attachments handle upholstery and auto interiors with professional style results. If you want powerful pet mess removal without hauling a heavy unit, the BISSELL TURBOCLEAN Power Brush Pet delivers targeted deep cleaning in a lightweight, easy store package. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. MUJERBAY. Extend your furniture and carpet's lifespan with MUJERBAY's spot cleaning powerhouse. Its targeted high-pressure spray and 12 kilopascal suction lift stains and spills from upholstery, car seats, and tightly woven rugs without soaking entire surfaces. A 4-foot hose and 10-foot power cord lets you reach every corner, while 360-degree swivel wheels ensure smooth movement as you tackle mud, wine, or pet accidents. One-touch self-cleaning flushes the internal hose and brush, eliminating odors and blockages for your next use, while an array of brush and crevice tools handles every surface, from couch cushions to window tracks. No heavy disassembly required. If you need a spot clean solution that's gentle on fabrics yet tough on stains, MUJERBAY's machine brings precision, portability, and powerful suction right to your fingertips. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. BISSELL Little Green Pet. Skip the rental. BISSELL's Little Green Pet is a portable deep cleaner with pro-style results for carpets, upholstery, and auto interiors. Its powerful suction pairs with BISSELL's Triple Action Pet Pro Oxy formula, breaking down organic stains and neutralizing odors at the source. With generous clean and dirty tanks, you can clean larger areas without constant refills or dumps. Its motor is 50% quieter than previous models, so you can refresh your space without waking the household. Integrated magnets hold the hose and brushes snugly, and the lightweight design tucks into tight storage spaces when you're done. The built-in nozzle tool and scrub brush attachment tackle caked on messes or pet hair, while a precision spray tip delivers solution exactly where you need it. For permanent removal of pet urine, mud, and drool trails, this little green wonder restores carpets quickly and keeps future stains at bay. For a compact, powerful, and pet-proven cleaner that you'll actually use, the BISSELL Little Green Pet earns its Pro Badge with every pass. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. HOOVER. Cleaning carpets is as easy as vacuuming with Hoover's Smart Wash. Push forward to apply cleaning solution and scrub with the FlexForce power brushes. Then pull back to extract water, dirt, and detergent. No triggers, no mixing, no guesswork. Smart Wash's motion sensing technology automates the wash and dry cycle, ensuring consistent application and extraction. Heat Force technology speeds drying times, so you can walk on carpets the same afternoon. Need stairs or upholstery cleaned? The included hose and toolkit handle tight spots, while the removable dirt tank and brush roll snap out for quick emptying and maintenance. Its powerful vacuum removes deep-set debris, pet hair, and stuck-on messes, restoring pile and freshness in one go. If you want a truly automated clean and dry routine that delivers professional-grade results without rental hassles, the Hoover Smartwash puts every feature at your fingertips, literally. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. WURESE. Boost your floor care arsenal with WURESE Azure, a compact carpet cleaner boasting 15,000 Pascal suction and a 500-watt motor for rapid, powerful extraction. Whether you're refreshing area rugs or deep cleaning stairs, it cuts through grime in seconds. 3 specialized tools cover every surface: a wide path nozzle for carpets and rugs, a tough stain brush for upholstery and stairs, and a compact crevice tool for car interiors and tight corners. Lightweight and portable, the WURESE's reach rooms and vehicles alike. When you're done, store accessories on board to save space. A self-cleaning function flushes residual soil from the machine's hoses, preventing odors and buildup between uses. For a no-nonsense cleaner that delivers commercial-grade suction and targeted tools in a space-saving design, WURESE is a smart buy. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. BISSELL Little Green Mini. The ultra-portable BISSELL Little Green Mini is top 1 America's brand in small, deep cleaners. Don't be fooled by its size. This mini-mighty machine sprays, scrubs, and suctions spilled beverages, pet stains, and tracked-in dirt with the same power as its full-size sibling. It comes with a trial 8-ounce bottle of BISSELL Little Green Oxy formula, designed to lift stains and banish odors from carpets, upholstery, and car interiors. Weighing under 5 pounds, it tucks into tight cabinets or glove compartments for on-the-spot cleanup whenever disaster strikes. No bulky tanks or hoses, just straightforward controls, and a quick disconnect nozzle for rapid maintenance. Its portability makes it ideal for apartments, dorm rooms, or weekend warriors with rental cars. If you need an always-ready, space-saving stain fighter that packs serious cleaning punch, the BISSELL Little Green Mini is your go-anywhere champion. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best carpet cleaners you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime, 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.